Check it out, fellas. I got a treat for y'all today. Checking out Rolling Museums in Harvest, Alabama. Y'all check out their website, follow them on Instagram, and Car Bar Atlanta. They got some nice classics. Check out this Impala SS. These already sold, unfortunately, but these are the type of cars they deal with. Bad Gbody. I think this Cutlass is the best one I've seen in person, fellas. Haven't seen a car this clean in person. I love Gbodies. Y'all make sure y'all follow them on Instagram. Rolling Museums in Car Bar Atlanta. Look how clean she is, fellas. Bucket seats, console, floor shifter, sport gauges. You know, the salon is the top of the line when the Cadillac was discontinued. They definitely got some nice rides, fellas. They got a couple of box Chevys available. I'm pretty sure all these are sold. We got another one, fellas. Got an 8-body Regal. Another one. One of the best cars I done seen in person. Unfortunately, this one already sold too, fellas. The Gbodies don't last long. Immaculate condition, fellas. Rolling Museums, Harvest, Alabama, fellas. Got a box Chevy, fellas. This one's still available. I think she's priced right at $6 grand. Rolling Museums, fellas. Y'all tap in. They do financing. Any classic that you want, they probably got it, fellas. Check out this Scottsdale's, fellas. Unfortunately, this one already sold too. But she's one bad truck, fellas. She is bad. If y'all need a classic, Rolling Museums in Harvest, Alabama, or Car Bar in Atlanta, y'all tap in. All of them priced great. And they do have financing available. So you can get you a nice classic, fellas. Check out this Ford truck, fellas. It's a 5-liter V8. Arizona truck. It's available. Rolling Museums, fellas. Y'all tap in. Financing available. Real nice, fellas. You ain't gonna find them in this condition. And you got that deuce and a quarter, 455 big block. She available.